Now, welcome to Ice Fishing Tutorial 101 for beginners. What do we got here, y'all?
I don't know what this is called.
It's the rod, right?
Yeah, some ice fishing rod.
And then we got that silver thing, shiny.
Yeah, this shiny thing. They said that silver was good here.
Mm?
And then we have the hook.
Yes, so that's all you need for ice fishing?
Oh shit, my finger. No, we also need maggots. We have this box full of maggots.
And they were about €2 in the store.
Yeah.
Live maggots, and you can also get synthetic ones.
But the live ones were better. They're alive here in the box.
Somewhere they're crawling around.
Yeah.
And normally you would need an ice drill to drill a hole. But you can also steal holes.
We stole someone's hole.
See those guys over there? They were here a minute ago, but they gave up since they didn't catch any fish here. Went there, then we just took their place. So joke's on them.
When we get the fish. Oh, maggots. Look at this. They're crawling in there. Okay. Got one. I got my hook. And then I will put the maggot, kill it. Maybe I will put some more. This doesn't look good.
It's harder than expected.
I have done this with worms. It's much easier. Maggots were hard. I will try to put this maggot this way instead. Oh shit.
Good enough.
One more. Because we have so many maggots. One more. The fish are not supposed to see the hook, because then they know there's a hook. I have learned that. Now it looks perfect.
Alright, and boys and girls, that's all you need.
Yeah, and then you put it in the hole. Drop it. Then you wait.
Did you catch something already?
Drop it further.
Yeah, then it's a waiting game.
Yeah, then you do it like this. I have seen it on the videos.
And that's how you ice fish.
Maybe drop it.
Next tutorial will be frying fish.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
And here we have the iron ore train from Narvik, Norway to Kiruna. The IR, most powerful train in the world. Loaded with about 65 wagons so far.
Well, not when it comes back from Narvik.
No, they're mostly empty. Well, they bring some stuff for the processing plant at the moment.
Soon. I have heard that somewhere I read an article that you should sing to the fish if you want to catch them. So Emil,
What songs?
you have a great singing voice.
Let me see. What kind of songs do they like?
I don't know what they like here in Kiruna. Maybe something Swedish.
ABBA?
ABBA.
The winner takes it all, the loser's gonna fall.
Now it would be perfect actually if we could get a fish.
Let's do a 360. Still no fish?
Nope.
You told me we would catch dinner today.
I'm getting pretty hungry actually.
Me too.
I thought they would sell hot dogs today, but we had the wrong day. Fuck.
There's no hot dogs there. Have to catch our own dinner. Whoa! You got something?
I got something.
Look, it's a fish! Unbelievable!
What the shit?
That's it. What to do now?
Do I have fish? I still have fish.
You got something?
Yeah.
It's a big one.
It's a
Can
big
feel
one.
it? Wow!
Fuck yes! Look at that shit!
Nice! Nice!
Whoa!
Okay, easy now. Fishing, ice fishing, it's that easy, boys and girls.
Yeah. What did it take? 5 minutes?
Yeah, and we got dinner.
Vad fan, varför var det en tävling? Why wasn't the competition today?
It's the biggest fish I ever seen.
What the fuck are we gonna do with this? I wanna eat it.
Mm.
Siik.
Joo. Siikahan se. 2 kilon siika. 2 kilon siika. So that's the first fish. Nice. It's a big one.
Big one. My first fish ever ice fishing. Fuck.
I didn't expect that.
No, I didn't expect to get anything. And maybe we have a chance to win the competition
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Alright.
We got that one. It's Siik in Swedish. I don't know the English name. Now it's Emil's turn.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch a bigger one. Mine gonna be 5 kilos between the eyes.
Between the eyes? That big?
That much.
Are we gonna get it up from the hole?
Might have to drill a bit wider. Sometimes you have to do that.
Yeah.
True fishing with the ice Vikings.
Beautiful fish, and it's gonna be tasty. We're gonna cook it today. I'm hungry already. They left a good hole for us. And Emil's favorite train in the background.
The IR, the blue one. 65 wagons, 3,500 tons on each wagon. That adds up.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a small break. I have, of course, our delicious jalovina. Emil is fishing for a while still.
Lucky charm.
Yeah.
There's no fish in this lake.
There's one. Or there was one at least.
If I wouldn't say that, I would not believe it.
Look at that monster I got. Monster.
It's been going on like that for 1 hour now.
There's no other fish in this damn lake. And I'm gonna take coffee. Coffee. And some jalovina. Have to keep warm. Fishing here for I don't know how many minutes. 1 hour. 1 hour 20 minutes. One fish. There's no fish anymore. I got the last one. There's someone trying to get some fish over there also.